Hi guys, this is Shara with Share Bear Crochet. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a magic ring to start your projects. The magic ring is great when you're working in the rounds because it leaves no visible hole in your work. So for a lot of my patterns, this is actually a very important starting point. And that's why I decided to start with my tutorials with the magic ring. So I'm going to teach you how I do it. It's the easiest method I've found. With your end of your yarn down here, you're going to hold that, secure it with your fingers. Then wrap this around and make sure that the working yarn is this loop. And you're going to go under this loop, turn your hook, pull it through, and twist. And now what you're holding is your end should be over here, your working yarn right here. And to secure it, we're going to grab this working yarn and do a slip stitch. That secures your work. And then you would start adding your single crochets or whatever the pattern calls for. We're going to do 8 because that's how a lot of mine start. And you're just going to keep working into that ring that we've made. You can see here's the loose end. And you want to crochet over both of those strands of yarn as you're doing this. And let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more. And here's my 8 single crochets. And once you've accomplished that in your magic ring, this is the fun part. You're going to grab this end right here and pull it tight. And once you've done that, you've got pretty much a perfect little circle there. There's no visible hole, and you would continue the pattern as such. So I know one of mine has you go in and slip stitch to the beginning, and that's how you do it. To take it out is just like you normally would. You just pull tight and all of that's gone. I'll show you one more time. You're going to hold, turn it around. I usually hold that as well. Keep it in place. And that secured it with that slip stitch. We're going to do 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there's our 8 single crochet. We're going to pull that tight once more. There we go. And we have our magic ring with 8 single crochets. I'm going to go ahead and slip stitch that together. And there we have it.